We oftentimes talk about preparing your truck for the winter and the colder weather, but it is equally important to prepare for the warmer months. Hello again, I'm Mark with Sadler Powertrain, and on today's tech tip, we will be covering preparing for warmer weather and sharing some items that we carry to help keep your truck running cool and in return keeping you cool inside of the cab. Propylene or ethylene glycol is the main product in your truck's coolant to keep it from freezing in the cold months, but it is equally important in the summer. The proper mixture of 50% coolant and 50% water will give you a higher boiling point and prevent corrosion in your system. However, don't use regular tap water to mix with your coolant. The reason for this is that tap water has minerals that can form deposits inside the radiator and your cooling system. Over a period of time, they can lead to overheating by restricting or even completely blocking the flow of coolant. However, even the best mixture of antifreeze cannot keep your truck from overheating alone. You need to displace that heat by drawing cool air through your radiator, intercooler, and of course your condenser for your air conditioning system. Your cooling system will struggle to compensate and draw enough cool air through if any of these components are blocked with dirt, bugs, or debris. We sell some great tools from IPA to help in the cleaning of your radiator, intercooler, and condenser without removing them, like these air combs, available in several different lengths. Your truck's fan and fan clutch are detrimental in keeping your system cooling properly. Look for cracks or chunks missing from the blades, and check for bearing play or any visible damage to your fan clutch assembly. We stock Kitmasters fan clutches for multiple models here at Sadler Powertrain. All of the gold top fan clutches are backed by Kitmasters' rock solid, unmatched 3-year, 300,000 mile warranty. Lastly, no matter if it's a large fuel supply tank on your property or a fuel tank in your truck, for every 7-degree drop in temperature, condensation will occur, and you will need to remove that water before it can grow algae. This temperature drop can happen nightly here in Iowa, resulting in a lot of water in your fuel in a short amount of time. Whether you want to remove water, algae, or increase lubricity and cetane, check out our full line of FPPF products and all of the parts and tools we've discussed in this tech tip video by visiting our online store or ask your Sadler professional at any of our 4 locations in Cedar Rapids, Davenport, Dubuque, and Waterloo. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.